Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to connect Meta glasses to Android. To connect your Meta glasses to an Android device, first you need to download the Meta AI app from the Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your phone. You will need to sign in with your Meta account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the instructions in the app. After signing in, look at the bottom right of the app screen. You will see a small glasses icon. Tap on this icon to access the device settings. In this section, tap on Add a device. This will start the process of connecting your glasses to your phone. The app will guide you with on-screen instructions. You may be asked to turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. The app will then search for your Meta glasses. When your glasses appear in the list of available devices, tap on their name to connect. Follow any additional prompts in the app to complete the pairing process. This may include confirming a code on your glasses or phone to ensure the connection is secure. Once the process is complete, your Meta glasses will be connected to your Android device, and you can start using them with the Meta AI app. Thanks for watching.